This is the most common use for Pythagorean theorem. You're going to use it to find the third unknown side in a right triangle. It has to be in a right triangle. You must know this equation, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You must understand that c is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the longest side of a triangle. A and b are going to be the legs. Do not put the hypotenuse here or here. Do not put a leg here. Here's an example. We have a right triangle. The hypotenuse is given. One of the legs is given. The other leg we do not know, so you're going to plug the legs in here and plug in the hypotenuse here. So what do we get? We get a squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, right? So then we get a squared plus 16 equals 25. We subtract both sides. We get a squared equals 9. We take the square root of both sides. We get a equals 3, right? So we just solved for the third unknown side, which is a leg. Keep in mind, though, they may not give you the hypotenuse and the leg. They could give you the two legs and ask you for the hypotenuse. In that case, make sure you put the two legs here for A and B, not here for C. In that situation, you'll be solving for C. That's the first situation. The second use for Pythagorean theorem is to determine what kind of triangle you have. It could be a right triangle, acute, or obtuse. If you have three given sides like this, and you see that when you plug this into the equation, you get a true statement, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, then you know that this is a right triangle because you get a true statement. So what if you have these three sides and you plug it into the equation? Do you see that these two sides are not equal, right? So which side is bigger? Is it the leg side or is it the hypotenuse side? If the leg side is larger, then you know the triangle's acute, meaning its angle is less than 90, right? So in this situation, this is an acute triangle. What if you have this situation? So in this situation, you can see again that the two sides are not equal, but the hypotenuse side is bigger than the leg side. In that situation, you know this triangle is obtuse, meaning its angle is larger than 90. If you need further explanation, watch the next video.